So what are the types of investors in crypto? Okay, which category do you fall into? Okay, how do you know the kind of category that you fall into as far as crypto investment is concerned? Now today we're going to have a look at types of investors. Okay, different types of investors. Then by watching this, you'll be able to identify which type of investors you are, your strengths, and your capacity, as an investor. Now looking at this, okay, you have Gen Z and curious millennials. Okay, all right, they are so curious, they want to know, they want to explore, right? They have this zeal to explore things within the ecosystem, within the market. They are not scared, most of them are like, the degens. Degens means degenerated. They don't care, right? So they don't care to lose everything, right? Because they believe that if they're gonna win big. So these are the Gen Z and curious millennials, all right? So when you talk about crypto memes, for instance, you look at an entire portfolio that is full of memes, all right? Memes like Dogecoin, like Shiba Inu, like Bonk, like Bookie Cards, so many of them, all right? Those are the typical characteristics of Gen Z. Okay, they have curious millennials. Okay, some curious millennials will have a combination of meme coins and also some utility-based projects. All right. So we have hodlers. Hodlers, they are really the ones that are most profitable in the last bull market. Talking about the last two bull markets. Talking about the 2017 bull market, they made crazy load of money. All right. When people already gave up on Bitcoin way back in 2014, 15, 2016, all right, the hodlers made incredible amount of wealth in that period. So what hodler does is they buy, they wait, they go hungry, they almost get ejected out of their properties, they couldn't. So, but despite all the pains, all the financial trauma that they must have gone through, they keep on holding to those investments, until they make something reasonable out of it. So do you fall into that category of holders? Okay. Can you hold on to a token or a coin for 3 years or 4 years? Can you do that? Okay. If you have done this before or you think you have the capacity of doing it again, then definitely you can refer to yourself as holders, in that investment category. So also we have financial institutions like we have BlackRock now, we have some banks in some banks in France are now investing pretty much in cryptocurrencies. We have hedge funds now investing in cryptocurrencies. We have some tech companies like MicroStrategies also invest in cryptocurrencies. We have PayPal, Stripe, all of these guys are financial institutions and they are now coming into cryptocurrencies. So many of them are not actually coming to make big investments. Okay, they are coming you know, to invest into the underlying infrastructure and be able to make money for themselves. All right. So PayPal is building an infrastructure. Okay, Stripe is also building an infrastructure, and a couple of other more financial institutions are building infrastructures to take advantage of the inflow, the cash inflow into the crypto industry. Then you have the pro traders. Okay, pro traders. So the pro traders, the way they work is they have an investment. Maybe they may have some Bitcoin, some Ethereum, but they are not going to be touching those coins for a long time, all right? Because they are professional in trading and they have a good cash flow. Okay, a healthy cash flow. A healthy cash flow means that you could afford to leave an investment for so many years without touching it, and all right, because you have that cash flow that pays the bills. So you live a good life, you live a decent life, a normal life, while still holding on to your investment. So those are the typical lifestyle of a pro traders. So if you fall into this category, like you are a pro trader, you're a profitable trader, you're a professional trader, right? You trade for organizations, you trade for groups, communities, individuals, okay, and you make decent, return on investment on a monthly basis or quarterly basis or yearly basis, then and you still hold on to cryptocurrencies, you have some coins in your wallet, you have some coins stored in your, you know, anywhere, maybe in your offline wallet or online wallet, whatever, then you are pro traders, and you're also an investor, in that category. So we have Common investors. Common investors are those who are always going after initial exchange offering, initial decentralized offering. Okay, they go after a initial coin offering, initial token offering. Okay, so these are guys that have, they probably have some funds on CDFI platform. They have funds on, which other platform is that? Okay, they have on CDFI, they have on some other platforms that allows them to stake some tokens, so that they can get allocation to participate in token sales, right? Like CoinList and several of them like that. So basically, they are always looking for newly listed projects. They're always looking for public sales. So if you fall into the category of that person who's always looking for public sales or a private sales, or you know, they are common investors. But common investors go after public sales because they don't have what it takes to participate in private sales, really. Okay. Except some private sales that maybe when they pool their resources together. I think there was a platform some years back that allows common investors to participate in private sales. Like, you know, some private sales require a single investment of $500,000, for instance. So they might make it available to like let me say 500 common investors, okay, to pull in maybe like $1,000 each. So by doing that, they're able to participate in that private sale. So those are still common investors. All right. So basically, you have an idea now, of the types of traders that exist. Right? You have an idea of the type of flow that exists right now, and that gives you an advantage. Okay, you can identify the kind of trader, sorry, the kind of investor that you are, or combination of investors that you are. Some of you might actually be a common investor and at the same time be a pro. Okay, you can be a common investor and at the same time be an holder. Okay, so I hope you understand this right now. I hope that makes sense to you. So thank you. Bye for now.